Hello everyone, I am Jasmine from Computer Science Department, Meenakshi Chandrasekharan College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to discuss about data mining. Data mining, before we going to know about data mining, we have to know the definition. What is data mining? Data is nothing but a collection of information. Mining is nothing but extracting the information. So collectively, data mining is nothing but extracting the information from the large volume of data. We know that in today's world we have so much of companies and organizations out there in order to make business better. So in that business people, they have to reduce the human work. So that they have to introduce the data mining. So the main usage of data mining is reduce the machine work and do the process fastly. That is the main and important task of usage of data mining. Next we are going to see about the important process of data mining, that is KDD. What do you mean by KDD means? That is the knowledge discovery database. So in that we have so much steps are there. First one is data cleaning. We know that cleaning is nothing but normally what we can say about cleaning. We have to clean without any mistake or any error. That is that here also. That is data cleaning. So in this data mining, what is data cleaning means? We have to reduce the errors and unstructured data. That is called data cleaning. Next we are going to see about data integration. Integrate, the word itself it defines integrate. We can integrate the data from heterogeneous sources. From that data, we can collect the data and we can use for our future use. That is data integration. And next move on to data selection. The selection means we have to select the data which is very appropriate data for our future use. That is called data selection. And next upcoming step is data transformation. In the data transformation, what we have to do, we can collect or combine the structured and unstructured data. Why? Because we are collecting or combining the data, from that we can get the clear data. That is data transformation. And next move on to data mining step. So already I told you data mining is extracting the information. So here also the same thing. In data mining we have to sort the data, that extracting the data, whatever we need for our process. And next we will move on to pattern evaluation. This is very main important step in KDD. In this pattern evaluation, we can evaluate the pattern. That is, we can analyze the pattern which is main use to our particular process. That is pattern evaluation. And last one is knowledge presentation. In this knowledge presentation, that is the finalized data. We can produce the report or generate the report, whatever the process we can done through this KDD. That is the knowledge presentation. Here I want to tell some real-time example. Say for example, if you go for any supermarket, the customer supermarket want to know the customer behavior. So the customer first day they have to buy the bread and butter. Second day the same customer want to buy a bread and milk. And third day the same customer want to buy a bread and egg, like that. So the customer preference will be captured by the supermarket person. So they can easily understand whatever the things, most things, whatever needed preferably by the customer. They can purchase the main task, whatever the customer needed for their procedure. So that is the main task. From this we can understand what is the customer need. So that is the main task of data mining. So from this KDD process, the supermarket person or business person can understand what is the main need of customer, then how they can serve to customer, like this. So I think, hope you understand what is data mining. Apart from that, next we move on to data mining architecture. So in this data mining architecture, we have many steps. So first we are going to see what are the steps. That is database or data house server, data mining engine, pattern evaluation, graphical interface, and lastly we have the knowledge base. First we know what is database. I think all computer science people know what is database. Database nothing but we have to store the information. Whatever information we have collect or we want to use for our use, that is database. Next is data warehouse. In this data warehouse, what we have to know, that is the centralized location. So in the centralized location, we have used all the data and store all the data. From that centralized location, we have to take or bring the data, whatever we need. That is the main task of data warehouse. And next, we move on to data mining engine. So in this data mining engine, it will analyze the data, whatever need for our future process. That is called data mining engine. And next, pattern evaluation. That in the KDD step also I can introduce the pattern evaluation. The same thing. What is this? We have to evaluate. That is, we have to analyze and sort the data, whatever we need for our future use. That is pattern evaluation. And next, move on to graphical user interface. So graphical user interface is the main thing in data mining architecture. Without the GUI, we are not able to do anything, because using this GUI, we can do the process fast. The main usage of data mining processes, usages, I told you, the fast data process. So GUI is helpful for that. So using this, we can graphically do the process fastly and efficiently. And finally, we can correctly and store the data in knowledge base. So in this step alone, we can generate the report. Whatever we have done up to that, we can generate the report finally, and we can see the report. We can understand what are the process we have did up to this. Thank you.